Hi, Anna here again. Welcome to another video from SnobBots. I hope you enjoy this one.
Let me ask you something. Are we becoming smarter because of artificial intelligence, or are we quietly handing our thinking over to it? Because there's a massive difference between using AI and being replaced by it. Today, we're diving into one of the most important questions of our time. AI versus IA. Is artificial intelligence making humans smarter or replacing them? And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side of that divide you're on. Artificial intelligence was never designed to be human. It doesn't think. It doesn't understand. It doesn't care. AI is built to process vast amounts of data, detect patterns at scale, optimize decisions faster than humans can. And that's not a bad thing. The problem starts when we confuse speed with intelligence, because intelligence isn't just output, it's judgment, context, wisdom. AI can generate answers, but it doesn't know whether those answers should exist in the first place. Now let's talk about IA, intelligence augmentation. IA doesn't aim to replace human intelligence. It aims to amplify it. Think of it this way. AI asks, how can we automate this task? IA asks, how can we help a human think better, faster, and more clearly? Same technology, different philosophy. IA treats AI as a thinking partner, not a thinking replacement. And that distinction changes everything. AI becomes IA when humans stay in the loop, when it's used to explore options, not dictate outcomes, surface insights, not suppress judgment, challenge thinking, not replace it. For example, a strategist using AI to model scenarios before deciding, a doctor using AI to spot patterns before making a diagnosis, a designer using AI to explore ideas before choosing direction. In these cases, AI doesn't remove responsibility, it sharpens it. That's intelligence augmentation. Now let's talk about the uncomfortable side. AI replaces humans when we stop questioning outputs, we trust answers we don't understand, we value convenience over comprehension. This is where AI stops being a tool and starts becoming a crutch. People don't lose intelligence overnight. They lose it slowly, through dependency. When effort disappears, skill follows. And that's not an AI problem. That's a human one. Here's the future, and it's already happening. There won't be a divide between people who use AI and people who don't. There will be a divide between those who use AI to enhance their thinking and those who use AI so they don't have to think at all. Same tools, radically different outcomes. One group becomes faster, sharper, more capable. The other becomes passive, dependent, and replaceable. AI won't replace humans. But humans who stop thinking? They replace themselves. At SnobBots, we don't believe in building AI that makes humans irrelevant. We believe in building AI that supports decision-making, enhances understanding, scales intelligence, not laziness. Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest machines. It belongs to the humans who know how to work with them properly. So let's answer the question. Is artificial intelligence making humans smarter or replacing them? The truth is simple. AI doesn't decide that. We do. If we choose augmentation, AI becomes IA. If we choose convenience, AI becomes a replacement. So use AI to sharpen your thinking, not to outsource it. If this video made you think, subscribe to SnobBots. This is where mind meets machine, without losing either.